how to fix Honor Magic 7 keeps crashing. So let's start the video. First of all, close all the background apps. Now swipe up and you can see all the background apps. Now close all the background apps. After closing all the background apps, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down in last. Here you can see the option system and updates. Now click on it and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If the latest version doesn't update, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and open reset and then click on reset all settings and then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.